PR Microsoft pulls Office 2010 January 2019 updates after Excel blunder. FYI, Microsoft pulls buggy Office 2010 January 2019 updates after Excel blunder. To make your Excel rework properly, check if you got the following updates installed. Update for Microsoft Excel 2010, KB4461616, details at https://bit.ly/2xfxlg. Update for Microsoft Office 2010, KB4032225, details at https://bit.ly/2sevarju. Update for Microsoft Office 2010, KB4032225, details at https://bit.ly/2fembr0. And update for Microsoft Office 2010, KB4461616, details at https://bit.ly/2cu6q. If yes, perform the manual removal steps below. Go to Start, enter View Installed Updates in the Search Windows box, and then press Enter. In the list of updates, locate and select the offending update, and then select Uninstall.